The way I got into chainsaw carving was one time, I must have been like 30 years old or something, my brother Danny carved this beautiful head out of a piece of maple. I was struck by it, that he had created that. So what I did is I started carving with chisels and found out that I couldn't do it. I was terrible at it. It was so much fun that I kept on doing it. And one time, this guy offered me a log that was 48 feet tall. He put it in this place that I was living at the point. And so I couldn't do it with mallet and chisel, so I took a chainsaw. It was sort of an accidental discovery. Yeah, so I became a chainsaw carver.